Hey everyone, so as you just saw there, in the trunk of my Jeep, I have my boxing boots, I have a pair of socks, and I have a jump rope. I usually leave those things in the back of the Jeep so that if I want to pull in somewhere and jump rope, I can easily do so. Okay, so I leave those things, my boots, sometimes running shoes, socks, and a jump rope in the back of the car so I can jump rope anywhere. So jumping rope is very easy. Easy in the sense that you can jump rope in virtually any space that's flat and free of debris like sharp objects or rocks. So you can jump rope on concrete, asphalt, timber boards, rubber mats. So jumping rope is easy. Easy in the sense that you can do it in many different areas. You don't need to go to a gym or some special building to jump rope, for example. So one reason I love jumping rope and I encourage others to do it is because it meets what I call the 4E's. One, easy, as I just said there, you can do it in many different areas. Two, it's very economical. You can buy a very cheap jump rope, a PVC jump rope for just a few dollars. That same jump rope could even be used by siblings or a family, for example. Of course, you could spend a lot more money on a jump rope if you want, but to begin with, you could just get a basic PVC jump rope that's cheap, it's durable. And another thing about jumping rope, it's very effective. Jumping rope has been found to produce so many good benefits for the mind and body. It's great for strengthening bone density, it's good for reflexes, it's good for coordination, it's great for boosting mental alertness, and it's also very efficient. Well, four things there. Very efficient. A very short jump rope workout can produce so many benefits. Let's say, for example, if you're a 150-pound individual and you jump rope for 15 to 20 minutes, you could burn approximately 200 calories, which is the equivalent of, say, like a chocolate bar or a pint of beer or a glass of wine. And so jumping rope for a short period of time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, can produce numerous positive effects. So 4 E's: easy, effective, economical, efficient. Jumping rope is an absolutely fantastic cardiovascular activity, great for the mind and body.